single attach. Pasukin po natin guys ang unit. Dining area.
I know you're everything that I've been looking
Ang
for.
type po natin is porcelain tile, 60 by 60.
I look into your eyes and could not ask for more.
Porcelain.
So it's only fair to lay it on the line.
Dining area, porcelain tile, 60 by 60
I'm gonna
also. And then the goose
a little time.
poset. Ating labas.
But if I ever fall in love again,
On the top.
sometime when this broken heart can end,
Two doors.
it's gonna be with you.
Gonna be
You're the
Door. Then also here we have good-end cabinets. And this is our service area. Ayan, laundry area and service area. And ito pong ayan, ating service area. Yung ceiling, pwede nyo pong palagyan ng sara or bakal para meron kayong sampayan. Ayan. And ito po yung ating maid's room. This is our maid's room or elderly room. Ayan. Ating maid's room or elderly room. Para sa mga parents po natin na hindi na kayang umakyat ng hagdanan, pwede po silang magkwarto dito. Ayan. Ating ceiling. Yan, yung ating pong wall is finish, painted finish. Ayan, yung wall natin. Ito, parang nilagyan lang ng design. Merong design siya. Ito ay parang wallpaper. Pero painted finish po siya. Cement finish, painted on white. Painted finish white. Ayan, ating ceiling. Exposed flat steel deck. Painted finish. Itong ating dining area. And ating living area, high ceiling. Pwede kayo maglagay ng big chandelier.